In this video, I will show you how to get a free private server in Evade. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you're going to want to do first is open up an internet browser, come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now you can also do this on the Roblox app. These steps are the same. First, what you're going to want to do is locate Evade, so you can use the search box at the top, type Evade, and then search for Evade in experiences. What you then want to do is click onto the first result. This is going to be the official Evade experience, and that's going to take you across to the experience page. From here, if you look underneath, you've got some different tabs, and you're going to see one for servers. So what you need to do is give that a click. That's going to load up some servers underneath. As you can see, the cost for a private server is currently 70 Robux. Now, there is a way to actually get around this if you want to get a free server. So if you actually scroll down a bit, you're going to see a section called Other Servers. First, what you want to do is tick the box here where it says exclude full servers, and then you want to change this from number of players descending to ascending. Now, we're doing this, you want to look for a server that's currently got one person. So there's none available at the time of recording, but generally there's going to be one with just one person in. Now, essentially what you can do is actually join that server with one person, and when that person leaves the server, basically the server is going to become yours, so you're effectively going to get a free private server. So that is how to get a free private server in Evade. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.